In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect unclosed lines in AutoCAD to form a polyline. This can be an incredibly useful skill for those moments when you have a series of lines that aren't quite forming the complete shape you need. Let's jump right in and make sure you're able to seamlessly create a continuous polyline from those disjointed pieces. First, you'll want to type PEDIT into the command line. Hit Enter to confirm your choice. At this point, it will prompt you for another command, so you should type M and press Enter once more. Now, what you're doing here is initiating the Polyline Edit command, which is an important tool that allows you to modify your existing lines into a single, coherent polyline. Moving on, you'll want to proceed to select all the lines that you intend to close and combine. This step is crucial, as selecting all relevant lines will ensure that they are part of the final polyline. If you're working with a complex drawing with numerous lines, try to zoom in and use a selection window to include only those lines you mean to connect. Once you've made your selection, press Enter to move on to the next step. Now you're prompted with the option to join. By selecting Join, you're telling AutoCAD to make all those separate line segments become one polyline. It's a seamless way to create your desired path or closed shape without having to redraw anything. Next up, you'll click on one end of a line. Extend it, ensuring it reaches another line. One tip to keep in mind here is to extend it a bit further than necessary if there are larger gaps between lines. That little extra safety measure will ensure that all your lines are appropriately connected, even those pesky ones that seem just out of reach. Don't worry if this extends beyond your intended line path a teeny bit. It can be adjusted once the polyline is established. And there you go. With just a few straightforward steps, your unconnected lines are now unified into a single polyline, ready for further refinement or use in your project. This technique saves a tremendous amount of time and effort, especially when working on intricate designs. You don't need to painstakingly redraw sections or worry about tiny gaps interrupting your work. Instead, with the Polyline Edit command, you create efficient and continuous lines every time. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this walkthrough helps you efficiently manage your line work in AutoCAD. Be sure to practice this technique and apply it in your next project.